Step number 2 is confidence. You must work on your confidence, even if you're a confident person. If I had £1 for every time someone said to me, I don't need to work on my confidence, I'm confident already, I would be a multi-millionaire. I would be so wealthy. I'd be like, just tell me that you're not good. Okay, thank you. That's another £1. Here's the thing. Confidence works on different levels. There's different levels, different times, and different aspects to confidence. So, and here's the other thing I find really fascinating in the industry, in the space I'm in. A lot of successful business owners think it immediately translates to being a successful speaker. And there's a big gap, because just because you're highly successful as a business owner doesn't suddenly entitle you or immediately mean you're a good speaker. It just doesn't happen that way. Steve Jobs worked very hard on being an incredible storyteller. Warren Buffett trained at the Dale Carnegie Institute of Public Speaking, right? These highly successful entrepreneurs understand the need to work on it. So the reason I talk about the need to work on confidence is because different scenarios will happen at different times. Therefore, again, you work on your confidence, not to train for when things are going right. That's great. But again, for when things are going wrong.